What did the elephant say to the naked man? How do you breathe with that? Remember, be the sexy.